Temple 70, Motoyamaji, headquarters temple. This temple actually escaped the destruction of Chosokabe, and this is a very old gate. It's an important cultural property, as are the Nyo. The gate is really quite interesting in just how simple the construction of it all is. There's also a pagoda at this temple that it's famous for, but it is currently under renovation. I think once every 100-year renovation, and it is, I'm not sure when it's going to be done. I'd love to be under there and take a look at what's going on in there. This is called the headquarters temple because it was once the largest temple in Shikoku with 24 branch temples and 2,000 koku of rice under its control. The main hall is 42 by 42 square feet. This is the oldest main hall on the pilgrimage. This building dates from 1300 and is 5 years older than Taisanji Temple 52. They renovate the building every 100 years and replace the rotten wood with new wood. All the main pillars of this building date from 1300. There are two legends about why Chosokabe didn't burn this temple down. One says that he came here and tried to invade it, and a band of bees chased him away. And at different times, different guidebooks have said that there's still bands of bees that live in different parts of this temple. Another story claims that Chosokabe stabbed the head priest, and then when they came in and the warriors came into the temple and saw the Amida had a stab wound in the exact same spot that the head priest had been stabbed. They saw this as a sign, and the wounded Amida statue commemorates the Amida sacrificing himself and saving this temple from Chosokabe. Here is the Daishido. And actually a active pilgrim statue, not just a standing daishi as many are, but a daishi in walking. This temple, the main image is an angry-faced Kannon, the Bato Kannon. The Bato, or horse-headed Kannon, has a terrifying expression on his face instead of being usually a benign bodhisattva. This was meant to show people the terror of the path of bad feeling and of hatred. Instead of toning down bad feelings, the image now has a faithful following of those who pray to it for health of their livestock. If you want to see this horse head, you can actually pay a little bit of money that goes towards renovation and go inside and see a replica of it. The actual horse-headed deity is only shown once every 60 years, but they made a replica that is up front that you can actually see. It's worth the 500 yen to pay and go in and see it. Some guidebooks have said that this is perhaps the most beautiful pagoda on the pilgrimage. I'm not sure what it's going to look like after renovation, if it's going to look completely new or what it will look like at all. I'll have to come back and see. Nice little shrine with a cypress thatched roof, I believe. Even the shrine here is really quite beautiful. Temple number 70, Motoyamaji, the temple with the oldest main hall on the pilgrimage and the only temple on the pilgrimage with a main deity that has a horse head. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.